Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be the first person to be notified whenever I release my new video. So today I'm shooting another video based on Intelligent Prime Capital. So I have information to give you guys. If you are still waiting for the right time to join IPC, this is the right time for you to join Intelligence Prime Capital. So as you can see, this is the announcement we got from Intelligent Prime Capital. I say it is all about love this season. Celebrate with IPC amazing offer, enjoying 30% of all AIA bots. Now if you miss out on previous promotions. So 30% has been deducted from all the bots, that is from the Genius board, Smart board, and Brilliant board. So, and the cost of Genius board before is $100. Let's say 99.9 cents, which is approximately $100. Same thing goes to Brilliant and Smart board. Now, Genius board, you can get Genius board at the rate of 69.9 cents, which is awesome, guys. So you only need just 169 or approximately 170 USDT to start trading with Intelligent Prime Capital. And also remember, one good thing about Intelligent Prime Capital is that you don't have to do anything. No settings, nothing. Once you activate your bot, you can leave the rest to Intelligent Prime Capital to do the trading for you. Sit back and relax. Watch your profit dropping on a daily basis from Monday to Friday. And I highly recommend Genius Bot because it gives you maximum profit. So, and the Genius Bot is capable of giving you up to 45% monthly, from 30% to 45% monthly. So, if you are yet to join IPC, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Kindly click on the link and sign up. Use this opportunity to sign up, and this promo is going to last for just 5 days from 6th of February 2022 to 11th of February 2022. So I hope you are going to take action now. If you have any difficulty while making your deposit or while setting up your account, I'll leave my WhatsApp link in the description below. Kindly hit me up, chat me on my WhatsApp. I'll guide you from A to Z. And please let me show you the time frame so that you guys will not miss out. Can you see? This is the promo period. USA CST 6 February 2022 from 10 GMT minus 6 to 10th February 2022 10 GMT minus 6. Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Canada 6 February 2022 to that is 11 o'clock GMT minus 5 to 10 February 2022 11 GMT minus 5. Ghana, Portugal, UK 6 February 2022, that is 1600 GMT to 10 February 2022 1600 GMT. France, Italy, Nigeria, Spain, Sweden also the same date, 6 February 2022 by 5 GMT, that is 5 p.m. GMT plus 1 to 10 February 2022 5 p.m. GMT plus 1. Russia, 6 February 2022, 1900, 1900 GMT plus 3 to February 2022, 1900 GMT plus 3, while India, 6 February 2022, 9:30 p.m. GMT plus 5.3 to 10th February 2022, 9:30 p.m. GMT plus 5.3. So they try to break everything down just because we have different time, because it's not in the same country. So guys, kindly use this opportunity to get yourself registered, and also if you are a registered member, use this opportunity as a selling point to bring those people that are waiting for their money to complete $200 before they will be able to start trade. Tell them they don't need to wait for $200 before they can start their trade. With their, if you are going for Genius board with your $170, you are going to start your trade, which is awesome. So thank you for watching my YouTube video, guys. I will leave a link below this video. As the link will be in the description below this video. If you have not registered with Intelligent Prime Capital, kindly do so now. IPC is changing life. People are cashing out on a weekly basis. Guys, this system has come to stay. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Kindly subscribe if you have not done so, and hit the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I release my new video. And also note, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that we can reduce poverty in our nation with this great system. Thank you.